Qingming Festival, or Tomb Sweeping Day, falls on Wednesday this year. It's a traditional Chinese festival that pays tribute to the deceased, and is a time for people to worship their ancestors. In recent years, eco-friendly tomb sweeping and green burials have gained popularity in China. Funerals are of great importance in China. The scale of funerals and the size of tombs were once used as standards to evaluate the filial piety of the deceased descendants. However, lawn burials, tree burials, and sea burials are more common, which involve less land use and fewer non-degradable materials. In North China's coastal city of Dalian, a sea burial ceremony was held last month for citizens to bid farewell to their deceased loved ones, with 43 sets of remains being scattered into the sea.
我们所使用的这个降解罐都是属于环保部门的要求，进入水中呢就能快速的降解，不会对周边环境产生不利影响。从2012年以来呢，我们这个相继共有将近3万份骨灰进行了撒海活动。
More and more funeral parlors and cemeteries have provided flowers, memorial cards, and other eco-friendly items to mourners, instead of selling paper money and firecrackers.
我们今年主要是以思念卡片和鲜花来这种方式对亲人追忆，免费提供便民服务车，包括祭祀的一些撮子、笤帚一些工具。